Last evening, I heard a song from Walt Disney movie Cinderella.
A dream is a wish your heart made.
A dream is a wish your heart makes. And since then, this has been playing in my mind. We wish, we hope. So, Good to Excellence brings you today in a series of vocabulary magic these two words, wish and hope. So, these today's words, wish and hope, we are going to see what is wish, what is hope, how to use them in sentences, what purpose do we use them for, and how to use them in different tenses. So, first of all, what is a wish? A wish is something we want which is impossible or improbable. I don't like him. I wish he would vanish. Impossible. Hope is a desire for something that is likely or possible. For example, I hope India wins the match. Quite possible. Please note that the word that is optional. The sentence is correct with or without it. Now let's look at the grammar. Wish, hope, plus to, plus infinitive. I wish to go to the moon. Unlikely, even impossible. But if I say I am training to be an astronaut and I hope to take a journey to the moon, I use hope here, not wish. We use wish or hope plus for plus something. Look at the examples. I wished for a puppy this Christmas. We hope for a better tomorrow. Now we will check how to use hope in different tenses. Wish is used to talk about the present and the past, and hope is used to talk about an expectation of something in the future. However, we can use hope to talk about something that has already happened or something going on in the present. So let's compare the two words in the different tenses. Present form. The word wish. Wish plus simple past. I wish I lived in a palace. Although it is the present time, we use the verb in the simple past. I wish I were older and wiser. Although it is a singular, we always use were instead of was with I wish because it is an unreal situation. Now with the word hope. Hope plus present continuous. I hope you are enjoying the party. The party is ongoing and so we use the present continuous form. I hope you are having a good time at the picnic. Sounds like a phone call made during the picnic. Current action. Now let's check the past form. The word wish, subject plus wish plus past perfect. This is used to express regret. I wish I had worked harder. I would have got better marks. I wish you had come to the party last night. We use had plus past participle. With the word hope, subject plus hope plus simple past. I hope you had a good time last night. I hope Jim reached home in time yesterday. Here we talk about a desired outcome of a past incident. Now let's talk about the future. Wish plus could plus simple present. I wish I could go home for the movie tomorrow, but I must study. I wish I could take my wife for the outing next week, but there is an employee-only policy. Both these sentences are about some unlikely situation in the future. Now let's check with the word hope. I hope I travel abroad next year. I hope we meet again. So even though these sentences are about the future, we use the verb in the present tense. This is because the action is current and desired for some time in the future. And note, we do not use will. It is incorrect to say, I hope I will meet you again. Now let's look at the word wish with would. We use it when someone else performs an action we want changed. I wish he would come. I wish you wouldn't smoke so much. So, have you got it? How do we use both these words, wish and hope, and in different tenses? Okay, now it's a quiz time. Pause the video and take a quiz. Well, I hope you got them right and I wish you a successful day. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, like and share the video. So, bye for now and I will see you again for the next video.